Hey guys, welcome to my brand new episode on this brand new channel, and I'm so excited. Why am I excited? Because I'm excited to document my journey as a trader and in other stuff, when comes the opportunity. And I'm going to show you guys from A to Z what am I doing, and if it works, I'll show you guys how I do it. And if it doesn't work, I'll still show you guys, and you guys get to see me fail. But that's the game of business, you're going to win at some stuff and you're going to lose at some stuff, but you can't dwell on the things that you lost. So you guys got to keep moving forward, So the first thing I'm going to go through is investing in the stock market. So a little bit of a background before I get started on what stocks I bought and what I'm holding right now. As you can see in my phone, I started 2016. I don't know, there's a little glitch over here. I don't know why, but who cares? So I started with about $716, and I thought, you know what? I'm pretty good at stocks. Like I could see what stock is good. Like that's what I thought when I was a year ago. But boy, I was wrong because the stock market just hit me. I was down about 229, 30 bucks, and I was like, what? I thought I was good at the stock market, and as a little kid, I always wanted to invest in the stock market. So then I remembered that I took this stock market course, and I went through all the videos, and if we go back to my phone here real quick, I started implementing the strategy right around here on March 21st, March 17, and then I stopped at June 28 because if you guys can see on the top, I made about $10. 12, 10, where's the 10? Somewhere in here, but it was around 10 to $12 in a couple of months. And I thought to myself, well, I don't want to make $10 every couple of months, But at the same time, so I took the money out. And at the same time, I heard of this thing called Forex, which is basically like trading stocks, but you're trading currency. Like, for example, you're buying the euro and you're selling the United States dollar, or just like that. So you're buying and selling currency. And boy, did I lose $700. And that was not fun for me, because honestly, I think the reason I lost $700 was because I didn't know a lot about it, and I think it was just because I wanted to make money real fast. And if you were trading in Forex, it was basically 24 hours, and in the stock market, it starts at 6:30 and it closes at 1 over here on the where I live. So the only thing I knew was I really wanted to make money in the stock market. So I put $500 back, as you guys can see in my phone right here, $500 back on August 24, 23. One of these days I put $500 back, and I kept going at it with the new strategy, and it worked pretty good. It worked pretty well for a couple of days. As you guys can see, I was up, ignore the negative 200 and stuff. I was up $521. I'll zoom in here. As you guys can see, I was doing good, but then as you can see this little down line, that was me going negative right here. I was so glad that I was making $21 in a few days, but then a couple days later, I was down $51, and I was not happy because I said, well, this strategy works. Why am I failing? And the reason the reason it wasn't working was because I didn't put a stop loss in my trades, which meant I was going to lose a lot more money if I kept holding the stock. So what does that mean? A stop loss is basically this. Let's say I buy at this little green line, okay? And the stock goes down. Obviously, I'm going to lose money. That's what happened there right here at this time. But now that let's say I put a stop loss right here, if the stock keeps going down, the trade's going to take me out at this price. Let's say 722. Okay, if the stock goes more down, okay, that's fine. You know, I'm out of the trade. I didn't lose any more money. So that's what I started putting was my stop losses. And if we go back to my phone right here, you guys could see this little uptrend, little tiny bit of uptrend right here, which was $1, $2, $4. It was going great, you know. So now that's what I'm at right now. I've been doing the stop losses, and I'm up $30 from my $500 account. Then today I was up $11.89, which is good for me. So what did I invest? And why did I invest in them? Okay, real simple. One, I invested in Adobe over here, Adobe. And one thing was because it's uptrending. Okay, it was, let me erase that. It was uptrending. And second, as you guys could see down over here, there's this little thing right here, this little purple spot. So this line at the top is supposed to be at number 70. At this line at the bottom is supposed to be at 30. So as you guys could see over here, you guys could see the numbers at this day. This day, if we go down here, right here, it was below 30. It was actually at 6. Let me erase that. It was at 6. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity to buy, and I bought at the close. And I'll show you what price I bought it at. I bought it at 177.03, 77.03, and that's where I bought it at. Right now I'm up $4.50 a share, and that's basically it. So when there's an uptrend, I buy below 30, as you can see right there, and I sell when it passes 70. For example, right here, I would have bought at this price point, but then my trade would have been out because I would have lost $1.50. But I would try again the next day, and then I would sold my shares at $2, and I would sell my shares for $2.17 of profit. So that's one of the trades I made. I have 2 shares in there. And then the second one was SOXL. Same thing again. There's an uptrend. There's an uptrend here. And then this day, it was below 30. It was actually at 3.5112. So I bought at the close. Here we go. Bought at the close at, oh, that's Apple. Where is it? Right here. I bought at 143.64 with a stop loss around right here, which is $5. And it's okay because I'm planning to sell this one over here. So I'm risking about $5 to make $28, which I think that's great. And that's pretty much it. You know, that's simple strategy. Let's do this again over here. This day it was below, let me erase this real quick. This day it was below 30. It was actually at 28. You guys can see over here. This day it was at 28. I would have bought, I think I did actually buy this. And then I was sold at 70. So that's $10.66 of profit each share that I bought. So that's basically what I'm doing all the time. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow and show you guys what happened. If I made money yesterday or if I lost money, I'll show you guys that. So until then, see ya.